So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix Gemini app not working. So to fix this problem, all you have to do now, go to settings of your phone. After you go to the settings, all you have to do now, scroll all the way to down. So if you scroll to down, just go and find the apps section. This one, open the apps. After you open the apps section, all you have to do, just scroll to down and find the Gemini app in the apps list. So now here is the app. Open the Gemini app. After you open the Gemini app, now go ahead and tap on this pause restart button. Pause stop. So after you pause stop the app, then tap on this, scroll to down and tap on this storage. So clear cache and clear the data. Delete. So from there now close the settings. So now go ahead now and restart your mobile phone. After you restart your mobile phone, then go ahead and open up your Play Store. After you open your Play Store like this, now go ahead and search for Gemini in the Play Store. So after you search for the Gemini like this now, if there is any update, make sure to update the app. So if you have any update, just tap on the update button to update the app. After you update the app, from there you can just go ahead and open the app. From there the app will start working properly. And that's it, guys.